In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks Online, a quote is called an estimate, and it's the easiest way to show a customer what you plan to charge before starting work. I'll guide you through creating one from start to finish so it's clear, accurate, and ready to share. Start by hovering over the Create menu. This opens the list of things you can make in QuickBooks. From there, click on Estimate. That opens a fresh estimate form where you'll build the quote. First, click to add a customer. Begin typing their name and select the right contact from the list. If you don't see them, you can add a new customer right from this field so their details save for next time. Selecting the customer helps QuickBooks pull in any existing information, like addresses and terms, which keeps everything consistent. Next, edit the estimate date. This is the date you're issuing the quote, and it's useful for reporting and for your customer's records. Right after that, edit the expiration date. This tells your customer how long the quote is valid, which helps avoid confusion if prices change. Pick a reasonable window that fits your business policy. You'll also see accepted by and accepted date fields. Add who accepted the quote and the date it was approved when that happens. These fields are great for keeping a clean audit trail and can help prevent disputes later. If you're preparing the estimate before it's accepted, you can leave these blank for now and return to fill them in after the customer gives the green light. Now, build the pricing. Add a product or service by selecting it from your list. Using predefined items helps ensure the correct accounts, descriptions, and default rates are used. Then add the quantity the customer needs. After that, add the rate. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the amount by multiplying quantity by rate. Review the line for accuracy and repeat for any additional products or services you're including. If you use tax, you'll see tax information populate based on your setup. You can review it, but the main focus here is getting the items, quantities, and rates right. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving locks in your work so you can come back to it, convert it to an invoice later, or share it with your customer when you're ready. A quick review before saving, checking customer, dates, items, quantities, and rates goes a long way toward a professional, accurate quote. That's it. You've created a clear, trackable quote in QuickBooks that's easy to update and convert when the job is approved.